Welcome to Griddle and Smoke BBQ. I'm Jeffrey. Today we're going to do things a little bit different. We're going to be outside here using the Char-Griller 36-inch premium flat iron griddle, and we're going to do something real easy on it. We're going to do a sausage and shrimp skillet, and well, there's nothing really left to say but that. Let's go ahead and make that happen. Let's do it. Gonna go ahead and get some oil down on here. Let's go ahead and get these vegetables on here. This is just some green, red, bell peppers and some onions. And we're gonna go ahead and get some sausage on here. This is just some andouille mixed with venison. Oops, I think I lost one or two. Now we're gonna let that sausage and those veggies go first, because that shrimp, once it get on there, not really gonna take that long. But we are gonna season these. So what I'm gonna use on those peppers and onions, I'm gonna put the Meat Church's Holy Voodoo. I'm also gonna use this on the sausage. And I'm also gonna put the Heathrow's Hot Rub on that sausage. Probably on the veggies too. But I'm definitely gonna put this and the Heathrow's Cajun Creole garlic butter. Putting these both on the shrimp as well. So let's get back to it. See, starting to get some nice color on there. I don't know if I said it yet, but I got this burner off, this burner on low, and these two on just below medium low. Now I'm gonna do is go ahead and mix this together. Get that shrimp on here. I'm going to turn these burners off. The residual heat should be enough. Get this off and put it in this. All right, so here we go. We're finished, and y'all know what it's time to do. It's time to get that taste. So let's go on to get to that. So right here, see we got the sausage, the shrimp, the peppers. So why not just get a little bit of everything. Let me see where the red one's at. Don't need too much sausage. Let's take a bite. Got these flies out here. But yeah, you cannot go wrong using Heath Rouse and Meat Church. They both make spectacular rubs. This tastes awesome. This is gonna be like a meal prep for me. Well, that's it. I'd like to thank you for watching today. If you're not subscribed yet, please think about subscribing. Give me a thumbs up. Click that notification bell so you can be notified when I release new material. I want to say thank you to Char-Griller. You know, it's also being an ambassador for them. You know, he hooked me up with that great flat iron I just used, that great griddle. Outside of that, just stay tuned for more stuff to come. Till next time, I'm out. Peace. Get outside and cook some.